안녕하세요, 나도메이커입니다. 오늘부터 새롭게 출시된 산업용 HMI LCD 스톤 디스플레이에 대한 매뉴얼 시리즈를 시작하려고 합니다. 그 전에 스톤 제품에 대해 궁금하신 분들이 계실 텐데요. 스톤의 HMI LCD는 다양한 사이즈의 화면, 극한의 온도에서도 견디는 내구성, 무려 3년의 보증기간을 가진 어마무시한 제품이죠. 해당 제품에 대한 더 자세한 내용은 지난번에 올려드렸던 영상을 마지막 추천 영상으로 올려드릴 테니 꼭 한번 봐주세요. 제품에 대해서 많이 신경 쓴 모습이 보이죠? 그만큼 다양한 성공 사례, 간편한 GUI 툴, 제품에 대한 여러 매뉴얼 등 다양하게 준비되어 있으니 고강도의 작업 장소 혹은 산업용 터치 디스플레이가 필요하신 분들께 강력하게 추천드립니다. 정말 많은 분들께서 제품이 정말 다 좋은데 매뉴얼에 대한 영상이 없어서 사용하기 어렵다 라는 이야기를 많이 주셨어요. 그래서 이번 스톤 매뉴얼 시리즈를 준비했습니다. 그러면 이제 디스플레이 GUI 툴을 어떻게 사용하는지 천천히 알려드리도록 하겠습니다. 첫 번째로는 새로운 프로젝트를 생성하는 방법, 두 번째는 GUI 툴의 전반적인 버튼을 소개하도록 하겠습니다.
After opening the software, you will enter the registration screen. New users need to click Register. After filling in the information, you can click Login. After entering the password, click to log in. After entering the project, the next step is the project creation process. First, click the New Project button at the top right. EXT, do the setting according to your needs. By default, the LCD is displayed in landscape mode. If you select 90 or 270 degrees, you will need to choose a project with a portrait resolution. A special note about the LCD rotation property: if you choose a portrait project, the LCD rotation will be set to 90 by default, landscape mode is set to 0 by default. After setting, click Create to create a new UI project. You can configure Ethernet port and MQTT in this page. Please refer to the user manual for more details. Screensaver is the screen timeout interface. The screensaver interface needs to be one of the window pages in the current UI project. Time refers to the waiting time before the screensaver is activated, in seconds. For example, as shown in the video, after 10 seconds, the project will enter the screensaver interface. Max brightness defines the maximum brightness level after the screensaver is triggered. This is the brightness level after the screen goes off. The value range is from 0 to 100. Min brightness refers to the brightness level when the screensaver is active. Generally, you can set it according to your own needs. A special note is that the minimum value should be less than or equal to the maximum value. If it exceeds, it will automatically be adjusted to the maximum value. After setting, click Save to save. Once settings are complete, you can start creating the project by dragging the required widgets onto the view. After finishing, click Save All to save the project. A special note is that most widgets will have a buzzer sound when clicked. If the entire project needs to be silent, simply uncheck the widget buzzer option, and no buzzer sound will play throughout the project. Similarly, if you do not need a startup sound, uncheck the boot buzzer option. If you do not need touch functionality, simply uncheck the touchscreen option. Once unchecked, the entire project will be in a non-touch state. Settings can be changed at any time, and after making changes, just save them. Click Save All to save the entire project. Click the Download button to download the project. The project update needs to be placed in a fixed path when you update UI via UDisk, Stone project. Be sure to pay attention to the case sensitivity. After selecting the path, the project's default folder will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, a completion prompt will appear. At this point, we need to check the integrity of the folder. If the files are complete, eject the UDisk, unplug it, and prepare the HMI device to start the update. Now, prepare the UDisk and the HMI device you want to update. Make sure the device is running normally. First, switch the device to UDisk mode. After switching, insert the UDisk. The screen will show the current update progress. After the update is complete, a prompt will appear on the screen. Remove the UDisk and wait for the device to reboot. After rebooting, the device will have the latest project, indicating that the update was successful.
지금까지 새로운 프로젝트를 만들고 다운로드하는 방법에 대해 살펴봤는데요. 이제부터는 실제 GUI 화면에서 직접 조작하는 방법을 알아보겠습니다.
This video will introduce the GUI operation page and basic functions of Stone Designer. The upper part is the title bar and toolbar. Different alignments. Frequently used widgets. Custom frequently used widgets. Project column. Resource column. Users can add pictures, fonts, videos, and audio resources here for easy use in later development. Then it is presented in different combinations in the middle area. Here you can circle all widgets with one click. Show ruler. Show grid. Show UI page area by percentage. The range is 50% to 200%. The Properties column on the right can display the properties of the window pages or widgets and perform customized design. This is the title bar. The first one is Project menu. New project is to create a new UI project, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+N. Open project is to open an existing project. Save is saving the current window page after editing. Save as saves the current project as a new file. Save all is to save all the edited window pages. Windows. Here, the users can choose different kinds of window pages, including different keyboard pages. Combined with different widgets, the keyboard can be popped up. Recently opened project can display the history. Click Clear to clear all the opened history. Project information displays the basic information of the current project, such as baud rate, brightness percentage, resolution. Logout is to log out the current account, and exit is to close the software. The Edit menu contains shortcut key operations, widget alignment, and widget hierarchy. For cutting and pasting, users can also use Ctrl+X or Ctrl+V to operate after selecting this widget. After copying and pasting here, the new widget will be automatically named. The Delete key in the menu and the Delete key on the PC keyboard can delete the selected widgets in the UI. Select All can select all the widgets on the current page. Some hidden widgets can also be displayed. You can also use the Edit menu to set the hierarchy of widgets and the alignment of multiple widgets. The View menu is mainly used to adjust the scale of the project displayed in the GUI software. You can also adjust the page display size by pressing the Control key on the PC keyboard and scrolling the mouse wheel. Then click the actual size here to return to the previous actual size. The zoom in and zoom out here can also adjust the size of the page display, with a step value of 10%. Toggle full screen for full screen office work. Widget. Here all widgets are classified, and here you can set whether to enable a specific widget in the toolbar. By default, all available widgets are checked, but they can also be unchecked. Unchecking does not delete the corresponding widgets in the UI file. Custom style allows users to customize different widgets, so that users can directly enable their designs when using the corresponding widgets later. If we uncheck the button widget will disappear from the toolbar. Checking it again will reappear in the toolbar. The debug menu can debug the UI on PC. Clicking Running can play the UI file and simulate the sending and receiving of instructions. Save and Running saves the changes to the current window page and debugs it. For more information about the debug function, please refer to the corresponding video explanation.
오늘은 기본적인 GUI 툴 사용 방법을 배워봤습니다. 다음 영상에서는 버튼과 이미지 위젯에 대해서 자세히 설명드리도록 하겠습니다. 영상이 유익하셨다면 좋아요와 구독 부탁드리며 사용 중 궁금한 점이나 피드백은 댓글로 남겨주세요. 다음 영상에서 만나요. 안녕.